Can AI actually build you a money-making side hustle from scratch in just 5 minutes? I gave it a shot, and what it built blew my mind. Product idea, brand name, domain, content, monetization plan, all done. Let me show you. I used ChatGPT for Turbo and Durable.co, a website builder that uses AI to generate full websites and business ideas with zero coding. All I did was type, "Build me a profitable online business idea that doesn't require inventory," and the AI got to work. Here's what I got, in under 5 minutes. 1. Niche. Digital product store for productivity templates. 2. Name. Boost Pad Studio. 3. Domain. Available and brandable. 4. Business plan. Sell Notion templates plus planners via Gumroad. 5. Content strategy. Use Instagram Reels plus Twitter Threads. 6. Revenue model. Digital downloads plus email list plus upsells. It even suggested 5 viral content hooks to start posting immediately. But wait, the wild part. Using Durable AI, I pasted the business idea, clicked one button, and boom. 1. Website created. Homepage, services, testimonials, contact form. 2. Design. Clean, responsive, mobile ready. 3. Text. Auto-generated with business pitch, value prop, and CTA. 4. SEO. Built-in keywords, title tags, and meta descriptions. From idea to brand to online presence, in under 10 minutes. Real-world use case. Now imagine doing this not once, but 10 times. Validate 10 AI-generated ideas, build quick sites, and sell the ones that gain traction. People are flipping AI-built sites on Flipper and making $200 to $2,000 each. And if you're a freelancer, this becomes a service. Launch a business with I'll build the brand and website in 1 day. Easy sell. No overhead. You don't need coding. You don't need inventory. You don't need to spend weeks planning. AI collapses the time it takes to launch. What used to take months, now takes minutes. This is what leverage looks like in 2025. If you're still waiting for the perfect idea, stop. Let AI build 10 for you. One of them could change everything. Subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you the exact AI stack to build an automated digital product store that runs 24/7. You don't want to miss it.